ready to send money home or overseas quickly and easily. This video will guide Kenyans through opening a Worldremit account. First things first, open your web browser or the Worldremit app on your smartphone. You'll see the Worldremit homepage. Click on Join Now, often found near the top right corner, or a similar call to action, usually in a prominent location. Now you're at the registration page. Provide your details accurately. You will need to enter your first name, last name, and birth date, ensuring they match your official Kenyan identification. After, you'll be required to designate your country of residence as Kenya. Next, enter your valid Kenyan mobile number and a secure email address, and set a strong password. Be sure to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Look for a checkbox to verify this. After filling out your details, you may be offered to sign up as an individual or business. Select what is more appropriate for you. Once that's done, you will have to confirm your email address through a verification link sent to the email you provided. For account verification, you'll need to provide a valid Kenyan ID, such as your national ID card or a passport. Make sure that the document is clear and readable. The app or website will usually guide you through the photo upload process. Next comes the payment method. Worldremit supports various options in Kenya, including M-Pesa, bank transfers, and debit, credit cards. Select your preferred one. Be sure to provide accurate payment information for seamless transactions. The platform often has instructions for each payment method. Once your payment method and verification documents are approved, your Worldremit account is set up. Congrats! You can start sending money to family and friends quickly and securely. Remember to familiarize yourself with transaction limits, which vary depending on the payment method and the amount sent. You will also receive confirmation that your account setup is complete. Enjoy sending money worldwide with Worldremit.